Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and today I am going to share my review on these products from Luxurious Adore. They were kind enough to send me all of the products from the Saffron range. So the reason you're seeing me barefaced without any makeup is because I'm also going to demonstrate the products for you guys so that you know how do they work. Before that, I would like to tell you that you can buy these products from their official website, which is luxuriousadore.com. And also I've got a coupon code, so if you use that you will be getting a 15% off on your purchase, which is called, I'll show you, and this is the coupon code Zakira15. Yes, the products were sent to me by the brand, but the review will be completely based on my personal experience and will be totally honest. So let's get into the video. First off, we have the Saffron cleanser, which comes with the pump dispenser, which I prefer for my skincare as it does not waste product and is generally more convenient to use. And coming to what's inside, it's a very gentle face wash, which I think will be ideal for all skin types and especially oily skin types. Do you see that instant glow on my face? And the smell is also so refreshing and so pleasant, just like real saffron. So next up we have the saffron scrub, which looks beautiful, and these beads are actually real saffron crushed. So the scrub definitely gets into the pores and gets rid of all the dryness and all the dead skin. And my skin feels super duper soft and smooth right now, so which I'm loving. So now moving on, we have the saffron face mask. So the thing that I love about this brand is that they don't have any extra added fragrance, just the saffron, which is giving it a natural aroma without any fragrance, which is amazing. So the mask is kaolin clay, which is great for acne prone skin and oily skin in general. You can literally see the results on my skin. It does leave the skin really radiant and brighter than before. So yep. Next up we have the saffron toner. Comes in a convenient spray bottle, as you can see. Like this, I just sprayed all over my face and let it dry. I spray it every day after washing my face, and it instantly hydrates the face. Next up we have the saffron jelly, which looks like this. It is extremely lightweight on the skin, and it can also work as a great moisturizer for oily and dehydrated skin. So I'm just gonna take a little bit and Yeah, so it's a very lightweight jelly. You won't even feel it that you have it on your skin. So I like to use it before doing my makeup. It acts as a great base as it is completely non-sticky and non-greasy. Last but not the least, we got the saffron elixir, and it comes in a dropper bottle like this. It is a very light water-based formula. You can use it before doing your makeup, or I prefer using it before sleeping in my night care routine. So as it has got so much of repairing properties, it's great for hyperpigmentation, it's great for anti-aging. So I prefer using it at night, and because that is the time your skin repairs itself. So I think that's the best time to apply this elixir. And after applying this every morning, I feel like my skin is so smooth and so soft. I think it is great for oily skin girls, because for the drier ones, I think you might need a heavier formula than this. But for the oily skin girls, I think this is the best formula for you because it is lightweight. So yeah, that was it for my review. I hope you guys liked this video, and if you did like it, like, comment and subscribe. I hope it was helpful to you, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.